Contributors: Letty Arts, SWOV Institute for Road Safety Research, The Hague, the Netherlands. Hanouk Gurma Abib, Division of Philosophy, KTH Royal Institute of Technology, Stockholm, Sweden. Anna-Lena Andersson, Swedish Road Administration, Trollhättan, Sweden. Department of Orthopedics, Institute of Clinical Sciences at Sahlgrenska Academy, University of Gothenburg, Gothenburg, Sweden. Lars-Erik Andersson, AFRY, Stockholm, Sweden. Ragnar Andersson, the Center for Societal Risk Research, CSR, Karlstad University, Karlstad, Sweden. Antonio Avenoso, ETSC, Brussels Region, Belgium. Karl-Heinz Baumann, Safety First, Independent Scholar, Starzach Borstingen, Germany. Seebeck, National Center for Suicide Research and Prevention of Mental Health, NASP, Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm, Sweden. Mats Ake Bielan, Department of Social Determinants of Health, WHO, Geneva, Switzerland. Kurt Bodewig, Deutsche Verkehrswacht, Berlin, Germany. Ola Bostrom, Vionier AB, Stockholm, Sweden. Antonietta Cavallo, Cavallo Road Safety Consulting, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Samantha Cockfield, Transport Accident Commission, TAC, Geelong, Victoria, Australia. Bruce Corbin, Corbin Consulting, Melbourne, Vic, Australia. Eric Dumbaugh, Florida Atlantic University, Boca Raton, Florida, USA. Karen Edvardson Bjornberg, Division of Philosophy, KTH Royal Institute of Technology, Stockholm, Sweden. Rune Elvik, Department of Safety and Security, Institute of Transport Economics, Oslo, Norway. Anders Eugensen, Volvo Cars, Gothenburg, Sweden. Brian N. Fields, Monash University Accident Research Center, Melbourne, Vic, Australia. Alejandro Furias, Latin NCAP, Montevideo, Uruguay. Pamela Fuseli, Parachute, Toronto, ON, Canada. Thomas Gell, Center for Societal Risk Research, Karlstad University, Karlstad, Sweden. Maria Hakanson, AFRY, AF Poiri AB, Stockholm, Sweden. Ute Ham, Deutscher Verkehrssicherheitsrat DVR, Bonn, Germany. Sven Ove Hansen, Division of Philosophy, Royal Institute of Technology, KTH, Stockholm, Sweden. Department of Learning, Informatics, Management and Ethics, Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm, Sweden. Anne Harris, Transport Accident Commission, TAC, Geelong, Victoria, Australia. David Healy, Road Safety Consulting, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Wolfram Hell, Gesellschaft für medizinische und technische Biomechanik e.V., GMTTB, Society for Medical and Technical Biomechanics, Munich, Germany. Department of Forensic Epidemiology, Ludwig Maximilians University of München, GMTTB, München, Germany. Adnan Haider, George Washington University, Washington, D.C., USA. Jan Iverson, Senior Technical Advisor Safety, Volvo Cars, Gothenburg, Sweden. Kazimierz Yamros, Gdańsk University of Technology, Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Gdańsk, Poland. R.F. Soames Job, Global Road Safety Solutions Thai Limited, Sydney, NSW, Australia. Christian Kellner, Deutscher Verkehrssicherheitsrat DVR, Bonn, Germany. Malekit Zedek Kayazi, Department of Social Determinants of Health, WHO, Geneva, Switzerland. Anders Eugensen has retired. Pete Kynes, National Research Center for the Working Environment, Copenhagen, Denmark. Clemens Klink, Decresse, Stuttgart, Germany. Olive Kobasinye, Makerere University, Kampala, Uganda. Maria Kraft, Swedish Transport Administration, Borlänge, Sweden. Ann-Katrin Christensen, School of Humanities, Education and Social Sciences, Örebro University, Örebro, Sweden. Anders Kullgren, Folksam Insurance Group and Chalmers University of Technology, Stockholm, Sweden. Emmeline Laney, Brigham and Women's Hospital, Boston, Massachusetts, USA. Peter Larsson, Swedish Transport Administration, Borlänge, Sweden. Brendan Lawrence, Monash University Accident Research Centre, Melbourne, Vic, Australia. Anders Lai, Swedish Ministry of Infrastructure, Chalmers University of Technology, Gothenburg, Sweden. Alison McIntyre, Alison McIntyre Consulting, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Jeffrey P. Michael, Center for Injury Research and Policy, Johns Hopkins University, Baltimore, Maryland, USA. Lech Michalski, Gdańsk University of Technology, Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Gdańsk, Poland. Dinesh Mohan, Indian Institute of Technology, Independent Council for Road Safety International, Delhi, India. Note: Dinesh Mohan, deceased. Matthias Muck, City of Munich, Munich, Germany. Oscar Oviedo Trispalacios, Center for Accident Research and Road Safety, Queensland, CARRSQ. Queensland University of Technology, QUT, Brisbane, QLD, Australia. Jenny Oxley, Monash University Accident Research Centre, Melbourne, Vic, Australia. Jeffrey F. Paniati, Institute of Transportation Engineers, Washington, D.C., USA. Margie Peden, The George University for Global Health, London, UK. Vidmantis Pumputis, Department of Automobile Engineering, Faculty of Transport Engineering, Vilnius Gediminas Technical University, Vilnius, Lithuania. Michael A. Regan, Research Center for Integrated Transport Innovation, RCITI. School of Civil and Environmental Engineering, University of New South Wales, Sydney, NSW, Australia. Matteo Rizzi, Swedish Transport Administration, STA, Borlänge, Sweden. Alexandra Romanovska, Gdańsk University of Technology, Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Gdańsk, Poland. Mark Rosenberg, the Task Force for Global Health, President Emeritus, Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Chika Sakashita, Global Road Safety Solutions Thai Limited, Sydney, NSW, Australia. Rodolfo Schoenberg, Road Safety Counselor, until 11/2021 Director for Vehicle Safety, Durability and Corrosion Protection at Mercedes-Benz, RSC Safety Engineering, Heckingen, Germany. Martin Schreiner, City of Munich, Munich, Germany. Maria Segui Gomez, Bloomberg School of Public Health, Johns Hopkins University, Baltimore, Maryland, USA. School of Medicine, University of Virginia, Charlottesville, VA, USA. Leah Shaham, Vision Zero Network, San Francisco, California, USA. Helena Stigson, Folksam Insurance Group, Chalmers University of Technology and Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm, Sweden. Johan Strandroth, Swedish Transport Administration, STA, Borlänge, Sweden. Kenneth Svensson, Swedish Road Administration, Gothenburg, Sweden. Itadich, National Center for Suicide Research and Prevention of Mental Health, NASP, Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm, Sweden. Luke Thompson, Monash University Accident Research Centre, Melbourne, Vic, Australia. Claes Tingvall, Chalmers University of Technology, Gothenburg, Sweden. Monash University Accident Research Centre, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. AFRY, Stockholm, Sweden. Geetam Tiwari, Department of Civil Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, India. Ellen Townsend, ETSC, Brussels Region, Belgium. Anna Vataby, Swedish National Road and Transport Administration, VTI, Linköping, Sweden. Department of Mechanics and Maritime Sciences, Division of Vehicle Safety, Chalmers University of Technology, Göteborg, Sweden. Michiel R. van Ratingen, European New Car Assessment Program, Euro NCAP, Leuven, Belgium. Peter van der Knoop, The Hague, the Netherlands. Felix Walls, Gesellschaft für Medizinische und Technische Biomechanik e.V., GMTTB. Society for Medical and Technical Biomechanics, Munich, Germany. Danuta Wasserman, National Center for Suicide Research and Prevention of Mental Free Health, NASP, Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm, Sweden. Fred Wegman, Department of Transport and Planning, Delft University of Technology, Civil Engineering and Geosciences, Delft, the Netherlands. Sha Voon Wong, University Putra, Seri Kembangan, Malaysia. Atiq Zaman, Curtin University Sustainability Policy Institute, School of Design and the Built Environment, Curtin University, Perth, WA, Australia. Guido Zielk, Federal Ministry for Digital and Transport, Berlin, Germany. Joanna Zakowska, Gdańsk University of Technology, Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Gdańsk, Poland. Vidas Zeralis, Department of Automobile Engineering, Faculty of Transport Engineering, Vilnius Gediminas Technical University, Vilnius, Lithuania. Gerard I.J.M. Zwetsloot, Gerard Zwetsloot Research and Consultancy, Amsterdam, the Netherlands.